Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This book is by Jamie Oliver called 5 Ingredients. There's so many quick and easy recipes in this book, anyone can use it. This is the first recipe I've made from the book, and since then I've made a few more. Let me tell you, I love this book. The recipes are super delicious and requires minimum effort. For this recipe, you're going to need 150 grams of butter, 200 grams of flour, 50 grams of caster sugar, the zest of 1 orange, and 50 grams of dark chocolate. Add the butter, flour, sugar, and 3/4 of the orange zest and mix it up with your fingertips. Squash and pat the dough rather than kneading it. Keep mixing until the consistency looks like this. Transfer the mixture into the oven dish and press it down with your fingers or the back of a spoon. Prick it all over with a fork and then pop it into the oven for about 20 minutes. Once it's done, let it cool down for a few minutes and then sprinkle with some caster sugar. The recipe includes melting the chocolate on the stove, but I think that takes way too long and then there's too much washing up to do. So I melt the chocolate in the microwave. I do this in 15-second bursts. Cut the shortbread into finger portions and then transfer it to a cooling rack. Drizzle with the melted chocolate. I got a bit carried away because I was trying to use up all the chocolate. I think 30 grams of chocolate would have been enough. And now all you need to do is sprinkle over the rest of the orange zest. And then you're done. Thanks for watching. Bye.